Time for another unboxing. And of course, it's the Mandalorian and the child. I always go for Grogu. Just a bit of Texie dust. I also always go for the cheap price. This was bought at Ross for $3.99. I think this toy came out sometime during the second or third season of The Mandalorian. I also know it's a child's toy, ages 4+, but it can still be part of my collection. I'm just gonna open it up. Let's see how easy it is to get into. I see some taped spots. There's our instructions. Oh, we have something that fires. Oh my, look at that. See if I can get it to open up so I can show you. There. It's all just right there. This might be pretty easy. There's the bassinet. Uh-oh, I decapitated the child. Whoopsie, be careful. But good news, he just pops right back in. There we go. I like the size of that. He's a cute little Mandalorian. Ooh, this is a lot nicer than I expected. I will not lie. I thought it was going to be a bit more clunkier and a little bigger just because of the picture right there. Like his feet looked real clunky. I don't know. I like how this stuff looks. And there's still one more bag of stuff to open. Ooh, a stand. Oh yes. So you can be hovering there. How nice. Mando, I guess we should put on the speeder bike, huh? Yeah, his feet don't reach the pedals when you put his hands on the levers, so that's kind of funny. And of course, he has a jetpack. You have to take the cape off, though. Yep, there goes the cape. Here comes the jetpack. There he is with his jetpack. How fun. Ah! Look at that! That gets me excited. Can you tell I'm an original trilogy gal who watched the holiday special the year it aired? As a kiddo, lost interest because all the Wookiees did was roar, but still, the cartoon was wonderful. We got that big old gun. And I think that's a stand. So, there's his pistol. How fun. I do believe I have it all set up with the instructions now. Here we have it. The little plastic stand right there. You can also have him right here. Of course, following behind in his little hoverboard. So they have multiple ways, like he's going towards him or following behind him. It is kind of hard to get the baby here, Grogu, to sit in his bassinet there. And this right here doesn't really have a spot when he's not holding it, so. But I don't care, because the fact that it came with his rifle, his disintegration rifle. That's, love it. Here, we want to see the firing. Boom! And that, my friends, is the most amazing toy I've bought for $3.99 in a long, long time. I love it!
Hey! Come back, wherever you are!